organizing assets across multiple projects with RoboHelp. Authoring teams exchange lots of content across many projects. Duplication of effort is a real challenge. RoboHelp's new Project Manager solves this problem several ways. The lightweight file structure is very transparent. Let's say I have a folder of images on a network drive that is used by others on my team. We use them across many projects. Now we can easily link an entire folder of graphic images. Here's the Delta Graphics folder. Now the entire folder and graphics are linked to my project, ready to use in topics. A red arrow may appear on the graphic showing that it is out of sync because another author has changed the graphic on the network drive. Just right-click and sync. The new graphic shows up and the red arrow turns green, again showing everything is in sync. To keep a consistent look and feel, we'd like to use our CSS style sheet from a completely separate RoboHelp project. Right-click, Link File. The linked CSS shows up in our project with a green arrow indicating that it is in sync with the original. To apply the new style sheet, in the Properties panel, select the CSS file. Now the new styles show up in the topic right away. Resource linking to globally link assets across multiple projects. It's RoboHelp reimagined.